Welcome to Captain Spiffy.
Hey y'all, welcome back. Captain Spiffy World Headquarters here. Preston, your fan favorite. We're going to show you the Epic E40FX Enclosure. This one, no tools. So you can see it comes in a really cool carrying case. It's easy to put these on. It's easiest with an extra hand. Let me unpackage this bad boy and we'll get it on. Okay, each enclosure set comes with two different side panels, one for each side and then one for the rear. Let's show you how to do this. So from the factory, the Epic E40FX actually comes with the enclosure track pre-installed. All you have to do is slide it in. Once we have this hung up, we have to snap the sleeves in place. You can actually do this without taking the windshield off, but be very careful. Now that we got everything fitting well, we're going to unzip the door panels and remove the protective plastic coating. All right, as you can see, this is the new enclosure. No tools necessary. Took us about 5 minutes to put it on. And I'm about to go out in the rain.